What's up, Hallway Gang? It's your boy B-Hall coming back at you again with another video. We had another car meet. Might be my thing. Remember to hit that like, share, subscribe. Man, I'm about to get into it. So, first car we see is a Bentley. Here it goes. Walking up to the Bentley. I like this paint. Tight. And look at the hood emblem. Look at the hood emblem. Right. Tight. Sweet. Competition series. car me and Bryson seen in Indiana. But it had blue hits instead of red. Honda, yep. We got this boy.
They got
The things up. Like the rims on there, the SRT rims. Yikes. Grade 8. For real. You're literally touching me. Sheesh. You still got the papers and all that. Look. Reducing the quota. Reducing the quota. See. Wrong car. Steering wheel be there. Look at the steering wheel. Man, they redid this mug is cold. love bugs. Little car. For real? Regal. Look at this one. God, this is aggressive.
Yeah.
Look at them tires back there.
Then we did the one in Northern Illinois and Wisconsin, Iowa earlier this summer. She was with me. They made it. No, my brother's looking for the trip to Michigan.
This one,
Detroit, raced the first track, drove about halfway back through the state. We were about to start heading north to go up towards Grand Rapids. Did a burnout leaving one of the checkpoints and it flew the motor.
This one cold. This one cold right here.
That's normal Redigo. That's the bag.
Yeah.
That's a Chevrolet.
Huh? Yeah. Chevrolet. Yeah. We got this boy. Got the parachute on the back. Woo-hoo.
My machinist. Want to go to
F85. This mug. Woo, look at them tires.
There's a lot of parts you made for this.
Look at them tires.
Yeah, there's a plate. I remember the plate.
Those big tires.
Yeah, there it is.
And look, you got the fire extinguisher in the back seat.
Yeah, that's all I got.
There's some parts underneath that I think I had you make me.
Yeah, we made a fixture for your tubes when you put
Yeah, that's the whole front suspension.
Yeah. It's tight.
Oldsmobile.
You see this Cadillac.
It's really it's a
pre-cut. Is it a granite car?
Oh, look. Exhaust.
yeah, pretty much.
That's
Man.
Yeah, it's a hopper. Yeah. A family car. Yeah.
Grocery car with a parachute on it.
Ooh, look at this coupe de ville. God,
Oh,
dog.
actually, I do need to check that.
Sheesh.
Yeah, the gas tank.
Gas tank in the trunk.
That's what the gas tank is on this one. And on the side. On the trunk, you gotta put the license plate down.
Well, you get in and drive on the clean, so it has the full, like, okay, remember that gas tank, or the base set right to the city. So I have the gas tank, and then I have I put ice water in this one.
Elegance.
I have a heat exchanger built into the intake, so it cools the air that comes in.
The view.
What's it possible?
Ooh-wee.
Well,
vent right there. Well, that's all they got here at this car show. Just something to do on a Sunday afternoon. Man, remember hit that like, share, subscribe. Checking out with another one. Peace.